We have to stop looking to politicians and to government to fund our education and our way through life. I'd like to give you an example of a program that works. And this is the program that we need to carry on around the nation that will solve this problem once and for all. Because with government involved in the economy, we're going to constantly see these ups and downs, and you're never going to have the stability you want. Has anybody heard of the Kalamazoo Promise? What is the Kalamazoo Promise? Private industry, anonymous donors donated to Kalamazoo that everybody goes through the Kalamazoo public school system gets a college education. In the paper, I just read that the success of this program is incredible because guess what's happening? The students are a winner. The parents are a winner. Business is a winner. The school teachers are a winner. The city's a winner. Everybody is winning in this program. We are seeing growth in the community. We are seeing revival of the downtown area in the city because people want to move there to get their kids that education because parents care about their children and they want the best for them. This is elevating poor people now who could not afford college, who could not get their kids there into college. Now they have a way to do that. The schools are all being rebuilt, revitalized. The businesses are getting the economic benefit of this. The school employees and the teachers now have stability because now they have a community economy that is building and growing. No federal money is involved in this. Now, other than maybe the public schools have funding from the federal government, but because of the growth in the economy, all that worry and concern is gone now. What are we seeing here locally in our schools like Forest Hills and other districts now when they have the head count looking for their dollars from the state, they're seeing declining enrollment. Grand Rapids is kind of flat, maybe they had a little bit of growth. So they're all looking at how do we grow, and at Kalamazoo, the answer's been solved. This is where we see private money coming in and funding for the benefit of the community. This is the way that government should be operating, not involved, only doing their mandated constitutional authority. That's the limited government. That's what we're seeking. That's going to solve this problem. If you're borrowing money, you become a slave to the lender, and that's what we see now is we're going to be slaves to the lender. That's not a good feeling. There's freedom in not having to borrow money. I know that doesn't solve your problem, but we're going to have to work with what we got right now, but the future, for the benefit of the people coming behind us, we have to work to get to a free